JD Cap 26 here, just your tips, repairs, and hobbies, and I'll explain how to cut this figure right here into pieces. So let's get with that right now. We're going to open up Bambu Studio, and that's opening up. Okay, hang on. Go to prepare and cancel this out. Go to prepare, and we got our plate here. So let's just make this a little bit. Yeah. Having technical difficulty here. Hang on, guys. I got to get this showing here. Okay. So we're going to drag it onto the plate. And there he is. Okay. And turn him this way. Okay, there he is. And you got to have the brackets around him, the white brackets. Okay, so just click on them. And we're going to go to these two blocks. That's cut. Okay, and we're going to go to dovetail cut. So go to a dovetail cut. And then let's see if we can bring this over so you can see it. Now, I don't want to cut them at the waist. I want to cut them at the head. So I'm going to move this up to right about there. Okay. And we're going to make a cut down here. And perform cut. And we got a dovetail right here and right here. Okay. But since it's such a big model, I think we could maybe fit in one more cut, okay, onto the plate, okay. So let's go back to, it doesn't give us the option to cut it again. Hang on. Oh, okay. Click to the side, and then again, just click this one. So that's a left click, okay. So you click to the side, click this one to get just the body. Then you get your cut back right up here. See the cut right here? So click on that, and we're going to go to dovetail right here, keep everything the same, place cut, flip, okay, and get this out of here. And we're going to perform another cut. We got them off the plate though. Let's move them over. Left click. And we're going to move this one here, this one here, this one here. Okay, so they're on the plate. It looks like right there we got to place that if we're going to print this, okay. And since it's all cut like that, you're not going to need any supports, I don't think. Okay, but we're printing in PLA, and we're printing on the X1 carbon. Maybe the hands meet support. I don't know. We have to check and see. So I would just try slicing it first. So we're slicing it. I may keep this model too. Let's see, we're getting a object floating on the Bigfoot, so that's no good. So go back to prepare, okay, and go to support. Enable your support, and we do slim on your support right here, okay, and then we're going to slice it again. Okay, let's get rid of this, and it's going to take 4 hours to do, and we're all set. See how we got the supports in there on the arms mostly, and probably in the dovetails too. We have supports. So that's how you do a cut and cut a model up, you know. And of course, the bigger plate and the bigger machine you have, you can cut the model up even bigger. Okay, you know, this plate is bigger on the bigger machines. You know, the X2Ds. But there's the dovetail, and that's what I want to show you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, give the thumbs up, and hype the video. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.